Hello, mabuhay! Back to school na, kaya we would like to help you decide which college or university would you like to get in. Kaya, our first stop is Guagua National College. Kaya, prepare yourself, get in, and hop in with me, and get ready for a ride as I am your tour for this trip, Miyaka Ikpan. At ngayon, nandito na tayo. One thing you should know, rather than its 100 years and counting celebrating its success and remaining established since 1918, one fact that you should know is that our beloved Vice Governor, Dennis Delta Pineda, is dito nag-graduate. Ito yung kanilang alma mater. And if gusto mo ring mapabilang dito sa institution or in preparation na to, then let's more dive in and let's see what's behind this chair na nakikita nyo ngayon.
With open doors, opportunities, you might find what you need.
In this room na pinaggamitan ng chair ng ating mahal na gobernador is not only a sense of pride but also symbolizes strength, success. As we can see kung paano sila nagsimula bilang isang bata, bilang isang normal na mag-aaral, ay nangarap din silang minsan na makatapos ng pag-aaral. At napakahalaga ng isang institusyon, ang ginagampanan ng isang institusyon sa mga pag-abot ng ating mga pangarap. Kaya isa lang to sa pinapahalagahan na memorabilia. Yan. Ang tawag doon is memorabilia. Kaya never itong ginalaw. So, it is very sacred for the school. From 1991 up till now, you can see na walang changes na ginawa. Doesn't mean na dahil walang perang pagawa, but it is sadyang ganon. For it to maintain the memories as a memorabilia, hindi ito ginagalaw. Kaya it is only being preserved as it is. And if you would like to be part of this institution, come please be part if you're interested to get to know how this would likely work with you as also as an individual, as a person who had dreams. Ngayon, nakabalik na tayo sa ating past at kompleto na tayo. Now, I leave it to you. It's your turn to decide whether would you like to be in this institution. Kaya, let's call it a day and nawa, maging safe tayo sa ating buong biyahe. Yun lang, mabuhay ulit.